How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at an absolutely gorgeous 55 Chevy Bel Air hardtop. The car's painted in its original Regal turquoise poly and in the ivory two-tone. Super slick car, guys. I really like the color combination. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. All the stainless on this car is just phenomenal. All the body fitment, doors, everything very nice on this car. Nice set of American wheels. Got a nice little 350 in it, 700 R4 overdrive trans. I mean, all the chrome on this car, they're just beautiful. Grill, bumpers. And then this has a matching turquoise and ivory interior. Super clean car. Got some gauges in the dash, nicely done. Got the LoKar shifter. Really like the chrome bows in the headliner. You know, that's Bel Air only. Couple small nicks in the paint. Little one here has been touched up. Nice and straight down the sides. Beautiful color on this car. This color combination is just really unique. Very nicely done. Interior is real nice. Jams all look good in it. Been updated with the disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. It's got a 700R overdrive trans. Cruises right down the road. You run this car down the freeway 80 miles an hour, just cruises along. Beautiful car, guys. These Bel Airs are really, really hard to come by anymore. Beautiful car. Just really, really like this car, guys. Super good looking car. Ready to cruise, go to your shows, have a good time with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.